This is Cobra soup.
Cobra soup, try it.
Cobra noodle soup?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like really good. It's really good.
Is it? Is this your first time eating snake?
Yeah, it feels like chicken, and I'm really happy because I love soup and chicken. So I'm gonna pretend it's chicken. It's not because
My first Cobra noodle soup. There's a little Cobra in there.
That Cobra.
I mean, if Campbell's served it, I would probably go for it. If you're sick, Cobra noodle soup.
Yum. I'm proud of you. Good job.
I'm passing down your phone.
Let me take a video for it. So this is Amber having her first Cobra soup. Look at, wow. I told you, Cobra noodle soup is amazing.
This one.
What is this one?
Oh,
Which one was this one?
that would be some python.
Python? Okay, you ready?
Ooh, I like that one.
It literally just tastes like chicken.
Kentucky Fried Snake. That's what it feels like just
I said fried snake. What's good python?
Oh, I'll take that python.
I had 3 pieces of fried python. It wasn't bad.
It's really hard. It's very good.
I'm scared for this one though.
This, have you tried this yet? Oh, that's also python. But this is water monitor, which is a lizard.
Really?
Monitor lizard. No, it's not snake. I know, confusing because this is python hour. We're kind of having snake hour, but this is a lizard.
Try it. She literally dropped it. Try again. Take 2. Don't think about it.
So I can roast it.
It's okay. This one was python. This is the first one you had.
North Carolina. Yeah, that's a good python.
Maryland.
I'm actually having another piece of that python right now.
It is spicy.
Yeah, I like it.
It's good. But it's a little bit spicy.
That's probably the best snake I ever had. Like of all the snakes that I've ever had.
This meal. The fried one, did you try the fried one? The fried one wasn't bad.
Oh, I'm gonna try that right now.
That was spicy. Some water monitor, which is apparently a lizard, not a snake, so game changer.
This is it? Lizard. How is it? Is it lizardy?
So I would say that I'm eating it.
Is it? What does it seem like?
Not as good as a snake.
Not as good as snake's better. You like python. Ambrose, you like python.
We have some super adventurous people on our team. They're literally just doing a shot of snake blood. Why, I don't know, but they're doing it.
Will they have the back of a snake afterwards? Will they grow a hood? We don't know, but we will find out.
Something weird to happen.
Oh my gosh. Don't sniff it, don't sniff it. Just do it.
Tell us when you're going.
Gosh. Oh, Jesus, please.
You got this.
3.
Cheers.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
It's actually really sweet.
The blood?
Yeah. Really?
I literally want to gag.
What?
I wasn't supposed to chew the vial, was I? I didn't eat the vial.
Mine didn't come out.
Oh! I ate mine.
Yours was 4 times the size of the rest of them.
Yours is really big.
Was I
How was it?
No, you were.
Oh, okay. I was like, whoa.
How are you doing, Kate?
Good.
I didn't even, I liked it without.
Thank you very much.
Really?
How was it?
I really good. Yeah, the blood was good. I should go for a second one.
Are you serious?
Candid.
It was good. I could go for a
I
second
felt like my
round.
All our snake dishes.
Back to my snake soup.
For a girl, it's not me either.
Water monitor. Python, python, python.
It is sweet. That is so weird. It's good. I'm
You
not
lie.
kidding. I'm not lying. It's
You
good.
lie. Dang it. Should I do it?
Yeah.
So it's like the left.
There's not much left in there.
Fine.
Shelf. It's sweet. It tastes good. Yeah.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. What did you think?
That was
Okay, get in there. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. Dip that finger. Yeah, girl. Yeah. What you think? What you think? What you think?
It tastes like blood.
It tastes like some blood.
It tastes like blood. It tastes like iron.
Extra iron. Yeah, there you go. Get that gum in there. But now, what can you say on 2 Truths, 1 Lie?
I had Cobra.
No one's gonna believe you, and you would be like, "That's the truth."
It's still going Not bad.
Right?
I didn't get the sweetness. I just got iron.
Well, I have to say that was the most exciting thing I've done this far this year. We can now be on 2 Truths, 1 Lie and tell people, yeah, I've drank Cobra Blood before, yeah. And no one's gonna believe us, and we're gonna win every time.
It's only week 2.
It's only week 2. Next, we're gonna be eating, what else is worse than Cobra Blood? Dog.
Organs.
I've had that before. Stomach. I've had stomach of a goat. Yeah, we're just gonna leave you with that. Bye guys. Bye.
So I'm gonna show you the beheading and the skinning of the snake. So if you don't want to watch that, don't watch the rest of the video. All right. You're still here. You're about to see it. And go.
Is he getting another one out? He's getting another one out.
Oh dear Lord. Here, but I can get out of it. Let Rachel out. Sorry.
Okay, you can guys like can see it.
Yep. That is wild.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, they're insane.
That is great.
Yeah. You're out there. Okay. Well, it's oh gosh. Oh gosh. So mad. Oh gosh. It's right there.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, it's so moved. It's crazy.
That's for me.
Where did the second one come from?
Oh, I got it. Yeah. That is.
What are we looking at right there?
Oh, that, yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh my gosh.
It comes off like a glove. I like kind of want it.